Have you forgotten that you are the radio diva?
Yeah.
The radio diva, the one alone, the radio diva. The special one, the R to the O to the Y to the E. It's Ranya in the building.
It's my birthday, everybody.
Yes.
I'm about to shut it down.
Oh,
on
yes.
there. Come on.
It's cool like that. I love the energy. Everywhere is spiced up. We are ready to kick the show. However, please, as I said earlier, if you have someone that is celebrating in the month of May, please do well to give them a beautiful shout out today. Today happens to be a beautiful afternoon. You know, they say success is not final, failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. Success is not final. Failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. Fact that you are in Nigeria shows that you are a warrior, my sister.
Yeah.
Hold that.
I'm a warrior.
You're